If you're looking for the best iPhone on the market, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is it. It's powerful, has the longest battery life on an iPhone we've tested in 2020, and the camera is top-notch. You'll need to be ready to carry the extra heft, as this is also the biggest iPhone of all time, and the cost isn't to be sniffed at, but we're adding an extra half star for all those iPhone fans that just want the best Apple can bring. The iPhone 12 Pro Max manages to do that rather well. The iPhone 12 Pro Max follows in the footsteps of the 7 Plus and gets camera upgrades that none of the other iPhone 12 models have. At its core, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, like all the phones in the iPhone 12 family, the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 mini, has a bunch of things going for it, like a new flat-sided design reminiscent of the iPhone 5 and iPad Pro. It has support for 5G, an OLED screen with support for HDR, a ceramic shield covering, an A14 Bionic processor, support for MagSafe wireless charging, and it can be submerged to a depth of 6 meters, just under 20 feet, for up to 30 minutes. If you want the largest screen on any iPhone ever made, the 12 Pro Max is worth the price. If you value having the longest battery life on any iPhone 12, the 12 Pro Max seems like an obvious choice. And yes, if you want to get every last drop of image quality out of your photos and videos, then the iPhone 12 Pro Max is definitely worth it and has earned CNET's editor's choice. If you want, you can buy this phone from the link in the description box.